Hello guys, it's Emmanuel here and I'm here with another video on how to connect your wallet to your Nodepay. So Nodepay is one of the leading apps, mining apps of course. It's just like grass. So this is Nodepay. I started recently. So basically today is the last day for wallet connection. Today being the 1st of December is the last day for wallet connection and I just found out recently. For this process you need to download your Kiwi browser and your Phantom wallet. So you can just basically set up your Phantom wallet, copy the seed phrase, and then that's just it basically. So that's what you need for this process. So now I'm going to go, firstly you're going to go to Kiwi browser, which that reminds me, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel of course if you find this video helpful. So you search for nodepay.ai just like I typed here. So just search for nodepay AI. So immediately search for Nodepay Ai, the first result here, that's it. You go there. Firstly, there are some settings I would like you to do first. Go to, click on those three dots at the end here. Click on those three dots and scroll down to settings. Once you get to settings, go to accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, I know this settings wasn't like this. I changed it. It's usually at 100 and something percent. So please adjust the settings. I mean these settings right here to 50%. Once you get to 50%, it starts appearing like it used to appear in a laptop or a desktop. So you log in your account. So right here, I'm going to log into my account. So I've logged into my Nodepay account. So this page, this dashboard will be showing, of course. So once you open this dashboard, to connect your wallet, you go to earning. Click on earning. As you can see right here, there are three basic things you should do before connecting your wallet successfully. Firstly is to verify your email. Secondly is to connect your wallet, and lastly is to confirm the wallet, which is this last step here. So I'm going to start by verifying my email. So to verify my email, I'll click on verify. A mail will be sent to me and I will input the code. So let's go to my email. So this is the email that was sent to me. I'm going to click on confirm to verify my email. Confirm your email. Alright, so I've successfully verified my email. So now we'll go back to the app. If you're having issue with verifying your email, firstly, you click on this place and you desktop the site first. You click on there and you click on desktop site. So that's basically how to solve that. So guys, as you can see right here, my email has been verified. So now I'm going to connect my wallet. So the wallet that you're going to use for this process is the Phantom wallet, like I said, and you're going to connect your Solana account. That's your Solana wallet in Phantom. So this is the Phantom wallet. So to copy your Solana wallet, you click on this. Click on Solana. So you click on Solana. So once you click on Solana, you go to receive. Once you click on receive, you copy, this is your wallet address, you copy it and then go back. So right now I'm going to connect my wallet here. clicked on connect. So I'll just enter the wallet address. I'll enter the wallet address there. I've entered. Click on verify. So confirm, and as you can see, my wallet address has been connected. So it has been connected, as you can see right here. The last step is to confirm the wallet address by email. So you go there, click on confirm, send email. So this is how to verify the account. You just enter, confirm the email sent to you. As you can see, our wallet is verified, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll just go back to the app right. So as you can see, it's confirmed. So subscribe to the channel, join our community in the link under this video. Thanks for